Is your TV remote refusing to cooperate, leaving you stranded in channel surfing purgatory? Don't worry, before you declare war on your electronics, let's run through some quick troubleshooting steps to bring your remote back to life, starting with the obvious, but often overlooked first. Grab fresh batteries and replace the old ones in your remote. Make sure you are inserting them with the correct positive and negative ends aligned, as this is crucial. Next, even with new batteries, corroded contacts can cause issues. Open the battery compartment and use a cotton swab lightly dampened with rubbing alcohol to gently clean the metal contacts. Let them dry completely before reinserting the batteries. Now, ensure you're pointing the remote directly at the TV's infrared receiver. That small sensor usually located on the front of your TV. Obstructions, even seemingly minor ones, can block the signal. Also, move closer to the TV to eliminate distance as a factor. Here's a neat trick. Grab your smartphone and open its camera app. Point the remote at the camera and press any button. If you see a light emitting from the remote on your phone screen, the remote is sending a signal. If not, there might be an internal hardware issue. If the remote is sending a signal but still not working, try resyncing it with your TV. The process varies by brand, so consult your TV's manual or search online for specific instructions for your model. This often involves holding down a specific button combination on the remote. If none of these steps work, it might be time to consider a replacement remote or contacting a qualified technician. But hopefully, one of these simple fixes will restore harmony to your living room and let you get back to enjoying your favorite shows.